Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with our next chapter, that is chapter 8, comparing quantities. As you can observe from the name, it is about those measures which are used to compare the quantities, compare some quantities. Now, how do we actually compare two quantities? Okay, let's start with the comparison of heights of two persons. If I am given with height of two persons, say one is having height 138 centimeter and the other one is 125 centimeter, you can easily say 138 is greater than 125. Now let us compare the marks of two persons A and B. One is scoring 70 marks out of 100 and another is scoring 80 marks out of 200. Now how will you compare that which person performed better? Now the actual picture, whether the person B is scoring 80 marks, which is more than 70, but when you calculate the percentage, person A will be having 70% and person B will be having 40%. That means on comparison, person A performed better than the person B. Now when you need to compare the gains of two persons who are selling different products, say shopkeeper 1 is selling, you can take as cloth, and person B, shopkeeper 2, is selling, say, pencils, then how can you figure out that which person is gaining more than the other? Since it will be difficult to check the gain in the terms of rupees or in terms of products, it will be easy if you find out profit percent for shopkeeper 1 and 2 both. Say profit percent of shopkeeper 1 is 12% and profit percent of shopkeeper 2 is 11%, then we can easily figure out that person A, shopkeeper 1, is making more profit. Now what are the different ways to compare things? We have studied some different ways. One out of those is ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two quantities. Since we are having heights of two persons, say A and B, as 150 centimeter and 130 centimeter, both are in centimeter, you can see, then the ratio of both the heights will be 150 upon 130, that is equal to 15 upon 13. Now if you take it as one is having 150 centimeter and the other one is having 1300 millimeter, if I convert it into millimeter and then I take the ratio, then it is 150 upon 1300, that means 15 upon 130. So that is the wrong way to calculate ratio, because you can see when you divide, if one person is having 2x and other is having x, then the ratio will be 2:1. That means the ratio can be calculated only when both the quantities must be having the same unit. Now if you want to compare quantity, you can use percentage also. We have seen it earlier. Percentages are the numerator of the fraction with the denominator 100. That means if you want to find out the percentage, the denominator should be made 100. That means it is behind 100. Let's take the example that this person with his wife covers the distance 100 kilometer, in which his wife drive the car for 75 kilometer and he himself drive the car for 25 kilometer. who drive more, who covered the more distance than the other. Since it is behind 100, we can easily find out that the distance covered by his wife is 75% and distance covered by him is 25%, because the total distance covered is 100. Now if the distance is not 100, say it is 20 kilometer, and we want to compare, then we will simply divide. If the first one covers 12 upon 20, because 12 kilometer and total distance is 20, and the man covers 8 kilometer and the total distance is 20, so he covered 8 upon 20 portion, and the lady covered 12 upon 20%. We will make the denominator 100 by finding out the equivalent fraction for that. 12 upon 20, we will multiply it with 5 and divide with 5, so it becomes 60 upon 100. And for the man it is 40% by multiplying and dividing again with 5 and 5, so it is 40 upon 100, and the lady covered 60 upon 100, that is 60%. The lady covered 60% and the man covered 40%. So this is also one way to compare two quantities. The rest we will do tomorrow.